Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. I've been up for a little while, but I actually got some continuous sleep. I think this new medication is starting to work and starting to help. Thank you. Okay, last night I did Sloppy Joe grilled cheese sandwiches with fries. Oh, they were good. It was fun. A lot of fun. I doubled the cheese compared to yesterday. Instead of one slice per, I did 2 slices per. It was nice and cheesy, and I played with the Sloppy Joes. It was nice and a little bit of spicy. It was fun. I will share the recipe. Play with the recipe. Remember, recipes are just guidelines. Have fun with it. Have fun with all the food you prepare. All right, the culinary expedition continues today. Tonight, we are in Sri Lanka. Mysterious land of Sri Lanka. Tonight, I am preparing, I'm looking at my notes, Malu Kirata, also known as a fish curry. My calico is singing in the back. I don't know if you can hear her. Yeah. So, let's get to it. Simple hardware. I'm going to use a saute pan. I might change that out. You know me, I always change my mind. This is going to be served over rice, hence the crockery. I'm using the 2 4-ounce frozen fillets of cod from Winco. These are just over $2 each. So if you're looking for cod, Winco is your choice. I have really enjoyed using this. All right, salt. I will be salting the fish once I get it all cut down into cubes or similar to. I'm going to be salting it to draw out some of the moisture. And there's no other salt within the dish. And of course, fresh ground black pepper. We've got veggie stock, just a little bit of coconut milk, which I reserved from the other day. So I believe I have enough. Onion, ginger, tomato, no garlic in this dish. Tamarind. This is a tamarind paste. I was fortunate. I was able to order it off of Amazon, and this is the less expensive way to go. You could probably find it in your local area, but I was able to find this little jar for about $5. When I get stuck on stuff, I go to Amazon. Okay, we're building the curry in the pan. Mustard seed, fenugreek seed, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and I'm using lal mirch, which is the Indian red chili powder. There's some lime, of course, cilantro, and there's my long grain white rice. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Sri Lankan meal. I've been looking forward to this one. I look forward to them all, but this one, yeah. You're going to see a lot of seafood, fish, shrimp in my dishes because it's just cheaper. And I'm going to use the word cheap. Beef prices are through the roof. Chicken prices are through the roof. I'm on a budget just like you. So, because I don't have any sponsors. On this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.